Hello everyone. This video is to show you how to create a home page and how to convert a page into your actual home page. So what you do is you go to pages first, and here you can see that students are not able to see this. It's not visible for them. You go to view all pages, or if it doesn't take you here, that's when you click view all pages. I'm going to start a page from scratch. So I'm going to add a page and I'm going to title it home page number 3. Let's say you have different periods or different classes. You might want 2 different types of home pages, or you could use a general one. Here I'm going to just put like the Nelson Academy image from my desktop. And when you add it, again, you have to try to be organized and put it in the right folder, your image folder. So right now I'm going to say that this is the only thing I'm going to put on my home page. I want to center it. And if you ever want to link it, you can click the image, link to URL, and you can paste a URL right there. You can also link an image within your Canvas course. But for that, you can't click this button. You have to click links to the top right. When you click on the top right, let's say I want the Nelson image. If it's ever clicked by my students, I want it to take them to the modules. I would have to pick a specific module. So you could change that on a weekly basis if you want. You don't have to link it to anything per se, but that's just a little bit more advanced. Here you can, it's like a Word document. If you want to add welcome, treat it as you would a Microsoft Word document or a Google Doc. You can center it, you can bold it, you can make it bigger font, and you can say something like, please click the Zoom link to the top left to access our class Zoom. Or I'm just typing whatever right now. Okay, we're going to say that this is my home page. I'm going to save and publish my home page. If it's not published, you cannot make it your home page. And remember, you're in your sandbox, so you can publish anything because the students do not have access to your sandbox. So I created home page number 3. On the right, you can see here that I can unpublish it and publish it anytime. These 3 little dots, you're going to make this your front page. Use as front page. That does not make it your home page. You have to go to your home. And on the right, you have to choose the feature that says choose home page. And here you would select pages front page. Now it's saved for me here automatically, but that's because I had already clicked this before. So choose homepage. You can click your homepage to be your course modules, your assignment list, your syllabus, but I chose this front page feature. You can also change it and select a different page. So I'm going to select my Panameño math homepage that I had already chosen. Then when you go home, it has my home page. Or you can go back to pages and you can always change your home page. It's just a general page.